Sam's bike check.
Alright.
We have Alienation,
Oh, I thought
nice back rim.
it's a black sheep. Alienation.
We have front rim.
Alienation front rim. They're called plain black rim.
And we have
Nice premium
this
Solo
nice premium
Plus frame.
frame.
I got some brakes on it. I got Tektro brakes.
Might take those brakes off. Some nice-
Sometime.
nice
Premium
grips.
grips.
Can't see them.
Premium handlebars. Premium seat.
Straight cable.
Odyssey.
Straight cable.
Yeah. Odyssey pedals.
Odyssey twisted PC pedals. They were pretty nice.
I got a chain guard on here for some reason.
chain guard.
I got premium fork. No, wait. It's not premium fork. It's a Primo fork.
And we have a
It's an Odyssey seat.
nice Odyssey seat.
Nice design right there.
Good seat.
Got Odyssey chain, Odyssey sprocket, Odyssey. What the hell do you call these things?
Crank arms.
Yeah, cranks.
Nice crank arms. It's a nice frame.
Alright.
It's a pretty nice bike. Look at that.
Premium back hub.
Look at that handlebars. Look at that, man.
Premium front hub.
And we're all ready to go.
And they come with
Where is
bags.
it?